Okay, so for example number 3, um, let's say that you have a fenced-in backyard, and there is a bush here, right? That's my bush. And then there's another bush here, and then way over here there's a bush. Okay, so those are bushes. I don't know how to draw a bush, but this is what the textbook says. So these are bushes in your backyard. So this is a bush, and this is your backyard. So this is more of a story problem, okay? And you want to water all 3 bushes equally. So where do you put the water sprinkler? So this is not so much calculating math, it's just kind of a concept. And so what you want to do is you want to think of this as like this is the point A, this is the point B, and then way over here is the point, well, let me make it a little closer. This is the point C. So we're going to use kind of the converse of the perpendicular chord bisector theorem. Consider this a line segment and consider this a line segment. So now if I draw a perpendicular line and it's a perpendicular bisector of the line B, in other words, this point right here is the middle where this is congruent to this side, and I draw a line that's perpendicular to that, and then I do the same thing right here where this is perpendicular and this line segment is congruent to this line segment. Where these meet is actually going to be the center of a circle that the circle goes through. In other words, I'm going to draw it lightly, but the circle goes through all 3 of these points like this. Now you have a fenced-in backyard, so your water's gonna, when you put the sprinkler, in other words, what you're doing is you're going to draw a line like this, and you're going to draw a line like this, and this is where you would place the sprinkler, okay? And when it sprays the water, it's going to hit all 3 of these bushes, and then it's going to hit the fence and stuff like that. But that's what you want, is you just want to water the bushes. So that's it for example number 3. That's an application in the real world of what you would use this perpendicular bisector for. So just to recap, the distance from A to B, you're going to draw a perpendicular bisector. What that means is that you're going to draw a straight line that intersects the line segment AB such that it's the midpoint of AB and it intersects at a 90-degree angle. Then if you do the same thing from the distance from here to here, cut it in half, perpendicular bisector, where those 2 converge, where those 2 intersect, is the center of a circle. Okay? And then your sprinkler will spray out over and hit all 3 bushes because the sprinkler is going to make a circle when it sprays out. So, okay, that's it for that example.